about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
了哟！
中马盖，
中马盖啊！
让我们加入客家风情，学习实用客语。
Hi, it's time for Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美嘉。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph 林。我们跑去医院啊，比如说住院啊，当然医生会帮我们看诊啊，还有护理师啊，
很重要，
好好的照顾我们，对不对？Let's use some of these phrases associated with the hospital, including a doctor, 医生，
还有姓啥，
姓啥 ，those are all doctors. And then how about a nurse, 护理师，
夫里斯，
生病呢要找医生看病，别乱吃成药哦。When you're sick, go see a doctor. Don't take medication on your own.
薄片愛去本先生看，
薄片愛去本先生看，
唔好凊彩買，
唔好凊彩買。
偏藥嘅來食，
偏藥嘅來食，偏藥就是成藥，好，不要亂買成藥來吃，
很方便的那種。
Okay, there you go. Now, how about when you're in the hospital? Of course, a lot of nurses will have to take good care of you, right? 所以住院期間呢，受醫院的護理師貼心照顧，
帶煙給他，本醫院護理師，照顧到，好些，
這好棒，
照顧得非常好，
照顧得非常好。That's so cute. I like that. We're going to have to review that a little bit later, but let's review some of the earlier terms, including a doctor, 醫生，姓啥 two ways of saying it, and a nurse, 護理師 and finally, to take good care of you, 貼心的照顧怎麼說？
照顧到好些。
There you have it. Getting some good care at the hospitals here in Taiwan for sure. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
安子 say
張美了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.